TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 2 p.m. update. Currently a mixed bag out here. The Dow's up 274, the S&P 16. NASDAQ 100, that's a weak link out here off 51. The other weak link is the semiconductors down 1.25% off 38 points. We should see a bounce here in the semis. Trannies are up 292. NASDAQ Composite down 53 points out here. Let's go take a look. Let's change this up just a tad. Usually we look at the indices at this stage. Let's go take a look at the sectors with inside the S&P 500. So give me a moment here. We'll switch over to those charts. Now, you're only going to see 8 of the 11 sectors right now. Let's start with the weak link, the weakest sector, not the least weighted sector. Actually, I didn't know the exact weightings any longer. But the XLRE, let's just start at the bottom right. The XLRE is going to form a TD9 count pattern today. Price will need to close below that green oscillator and change line in order to suggest a top. So we've got a potential top there. Right, if there's going to be a top in the S&P 500, we should see topping signals inside the sectors. Now, these are the weakest, the least weighted sectors, I should say. The XLB, you've got wave number 7 as a signal out here, but first we have to close below 83.90 to suggest a top. The XLU, the utility sector, there is no top in place. Price should go target 67.70. The XLP out here, there was a Rhodes Momentum Indicator top. Price is trading into the swing point it's swing point high out here, and a close above 70.47. You're at 70.40 right now. Would negate that pattern and say I'm headed higher. If you look at the XLI, the industrial sector, there's no topping signal in place right now, so that says I want to move higher. The same thing for the XLY. The same thing for the XLE. There's no topping signal. Everything here remains bullish. The same thing for the XLC. Now, the XLC, that's the communication sector. That's got Facebook and instruments like that. Today, just the pullback is testing support. That's that oscillator unchanged line. Let's look at the other 3 sectors if we can. Let's look at number 1. XLK out here. What do we have? The XLK is below support. This could be signaling to you and I wants to go take a ride down to 129.26. We're not going to make that call just yet, but it's the weak link, and it's why the ES Mini is struggling to get above its resistance level of 41.21, I believe, out there. I think we just got hung up on. Well, sorry about that, folks. Yeah, I think we just got hung up on. Hey, have a magical Monday, folks.